Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to our lecturer Dr. Hamidun bin Muhammad Noor. My name is Muhammad Firdaus bin Shamsuddin. Metric number is AP190166 and I'm from BPC. Today I would like to talk about liquefaction of soil in Niigata Earthquake. What is soil liquefaction? Soil liquefaction is a phenomenon that primarily loses strength and tension in saturated or saturated soil due to stress, usually strong earthquake or sudden pressure twisting, causing them to behave like liquid. It is also one of the most dramatic events during the earthquake and caused damage to the building. And I would like to share a few videos about soil liquefaction in Niigata earthquake. So I continue with my next point, that is the incident. The Niigata earthquake of June 16, 1964 has a magnitude of 7.5 and caused severe damage to many structures in Niigata. The destruction was observed to be largely limited to buildings that were found on top of loose saturated soil deposit, even though about 2,000 houses were totally destroyed and only 28 lives were lost. A tsunami triggered by movement of the sea floor associated with the fall Richter totally destroyed the port of Niigata. What is the effect of the incident? First, Kawagishi-cho apartment tilted and damaged. Second, the collapse of the Showa Bridge. And third is fire and liquefaction. The factors that make this incident can happen: first, strong shaking. When strong tremor occurs, loose sediment is losing wrapped around the surface or near the surface, losing its strength and causing to occur liquefaction. Disruption to the building and other structures can cause major damage during earthquake. And the second is granular soil structure. When earthquake shock occur in water-logged soil, the water-filled pore space collapse while decrease the overall volume of the soil. This process increases the water pressure between individual soil grain, and the grain can then move freely in the watery matrix. That sustainably lower the soil resistance to shear stress and cause the mass of soil to take on the characteristic of a liquid. How to improve the soil condition? There is three. One is sand compaction pile method. Sand piles are installed to reform soil clay ground. While this method was applied as a liquefaction countermeasure. Shear deformation method. Shear deformation method is cutting off pure water pressure. In addition, it is controlling about shear control. And the third is soil reinforcement. It is the form of a weak soil reinforced by high strain than horizontal membranes. A large variety of materials such as rubber, aluminum, and thermoplastic have been used successfully. Okay, that's all for my presentation. So thank you for your attention. Thank you.